Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer slow to open. As a first point, try restarting your PC. This will help refresh all system processes. When you access the system again, open the File Explorer. Click on the menu and select Options. Here, uncheck the box, Show Files from Office.com. Click on Apply and OK. After this, open the Command Prompt console as administrator. Press Yes to access. There, run the command sfc/scano. Press Enter to run the command. You will see its progress percentage. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, check if there were corrections, which will help you improve the performance of the Windows File Explorer. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.